Homesteading, page 152. Canning continued. 1 cup olive or salad oil. Half cup chopped onions. 2 tablespoons prepared horse radish, optional. 2 cloves garlic, quartered, optional. 2 1/4 teaspoons salt, optional. Directions. Number 1, select your favorite pepper. Peppers may be left whole or quartered. Wash, slash 2 to 4 slits in each pepper and blanch in boiling water or blister to peel tough-skinned hot peppers. Blister peppers using one of the following methods. Oven or broiler method. Place peppers in a hot oven, 400 degrees Fahrenheit, or broiler for 6 to 8 minutes or until skins blister. Range top method. Cover hot burner, either gas or electric, with heavy wire mesh. Place peppers on burner for several minutes until skins blister. Number 2, allow peppers to cool. Place in pan and cover with a damp cloth. This will make peeling the peppers easier. After several minutes of cooling, peel each pepper. Flatten whole peppers. Number 3, mix all remaining ingredients except garlic and salt in a saucepan and heat to boiling. Place 1/4 garlic clove, optional, and 1/4 teaspoon salt in each half pint or half teaspoon per pint. Fill jars with peppers and add hot, well-mixed oil / pickling solution over peppers, leaving 1/2 inch headspace. Adjust lids and process. Process times for marinated peppers in a boiling water canner. The style of pack, raw. Jar size, half pints or pints. From 0 to 1,000 feet, go 15 minutes. From 1,000 to 3,000 feet, go 20 minutes. From 3,000 to 6,000 feet, go 20 minutes. And anything above 6,000 feet, go 25 minutes. After the process is complete, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Piccalilli, or how do you say that? Piccalilli. Piccalilli? Piccalilli is a nice accompaniment companion, I don't know how to say that, man. Accompaniment to roasted or braised meats and is common in British and Indian meals. It can also be mixed with mayonnaise or crème fraîche as the basis of a French remoulade. This recipe yields 9 half pints. Ingredients: 6 cups chopped green tomatoes, 1 1/2 cups chopped sweet red peppers, 1 1/2 cups chopped green peppers, 2 1/4 cups chopped onions, 7 1/2 cups chopped cabbage, half cup canning or pickling salt, 3 tablespoons whole mixed pickling spice, 4 1/2 cups vinegar, 5% acetic acid, 3 cups brown sugar. Directions. Number 1, wash, chop, and combine vegetables with salt. Cover with hot water and let stand 12 hours. Drain and press in a clean white cloth to remove all possible liquid. Number 2, tie spices loosely in a spice bag and add 2 combined vinegar and brown sugar and heat to a boil in a saucepan. Add vegetables and boil gently 30 minutes or until the volume of the mixture is reduced by 1/2. Remove spice bag. Number 3, fill hot sterile jars with hot mixture, leaving a 1/2 inch headspace. Adjust lids and process. Process times for Piccalilli in a boiling water canner. The style of pack, hot. Jar size, 1/2 pints or pints. From 0 to 1,000 feet, go 5 minutes. From 1,000 to 6,000 feet, go 10 minutes. And anything above 6,000 feet, go 15 minutes. After the process is complete, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Bread and butter pickles. These slightly sweet spiced pickles will add flavor and crunch to any sandwich, if desired. Slender 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter. Zucchini or yellow summer squash can be substituted for cucumbers. After processing and cooling, jars should be stored 4 to 5 weeks to develop ideal flavor. This recipe yields about 8 pints. Ingredients: 6 pounds of 4 to 5 inch pickling cucumbers, 8 cups thinly sliced onions, about 3 pounds, 1/2 cup canning or pickling salt, 4 cups vinegar, 5% acetic acid, 4.5 cups sugar, 2 tablespoons mustard seed. Page 153. 1.5 tablespoons celery seed, 1 tablespoon ground turmeric, 1 cup pickling lime, optional for use in variation below for making firmer pickles. Directions. Number 1, wash cucumbers. Cut 1/16 inch off blossom end and discard. Cut into 3/16 inch slices. Combine cucumbers and onions in a large bowl. Add salt. Cover with 2 inches crushed or cubed ice. Refrigerate 3 to 4 hours, adding more ice as needed. Number 2, combine remaining ingredients into a large pot. Boil 10 minutes. Drain cucumbers and onions, add to pot, and slowly reheat to boiling. Fill jars with slices and cooking syrup, leaving a 1/2 inch headspace. Number 3, adjust lids and process in boiling water canner, or use the low temperature pasteurization treatment described below. Low temperature pasteurization treatment. The following treatment results in a better product texture but must be carefully managed to avoid possible spoilage. Number 1, place jars in a canner filled halfway with warm 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit water. Then add hot water to a level 1 inch above jars. Number 2, heat the water enough to maintain 180 to 185 degrees Fahrenheit water temperature for 30 minutes. Check with a candy or jelly thermometer to be certain that the water temperature is at least 180 degrees Fahrenheit during the entire 30 minutes. Temperatures higher than 185 degrees Fahrenheit may cause unnecessary softening of pickles. Variation for firmer pickles. Wash cucumbers. Cut 1/16 inch off blossom end and discard. Cut into 3/16 inch slices. Mix 1 cup pickling lime and 1/2 cup salt to 1 gallon water in a 2 to 3 gallon crock or enamelware container. Avoid inhaling lime dust while mixing the lime water solution. Soak cucumber slices in lime water for 12 to 24 hours, stirring occasionally. Remove from lime solution. Rinse and re-soak 1 hour in fresh cold water. Repeat the rinsing and soaking steps 2 more times. Handle carefully, as slices will be brittle. Drain well. Process times for bread and butter pickles in a boiling water canner. The style of pack is hot. The jar size, pints or quarts. From 0 to 1,000 feet, go 10 minutes. From 1,000 to 6,000 feet, go 15 minutes. And anything above 6,000 feet, go 20 minutes. After the process is complete, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Quick, fresh pack dill pickles. For best results, pickle cucumbers within 24 hours of harvesting or immediately after purchasing. This recipe yields 7 to 9 pints. Ingredients: 8 pounds of 3 to 5 inch pickling cucumbers, 2 gallons water, 1 1/4 to 1.5 cups canning or pickling salt, 1.5 quarts vinegar, 5% acetic acid, 1/4 cup sugar, 2 to 2 1/4 quarts water, 2 tablespoons whole mixed pickling spice, 3 to 5 tablespoons whole mustard seed, 2 teaspoons to 1 teaspoon per pint jar, 14 to 21 heads of fresh dill, 1.5 to 3 heads per pint jar, or 4.5 to 7 tablespoons dill seed, 1 and a half teaspoons to 1 tablespoon per pint jar. Directions. Number 1, wash cucumbers. Cut 1/16 inch slice off blossom end and discard, but leave 1/4 inch of stem attached. Dissolve 3/4 cup salt in 2 gallons water. Pour over cucumbers and let stand 12 hours. Drain. Number 2, combine vinegar, 1/2 cup salt, sugar, and 2 quarts water. Add mixed pickling spices tied in a clean white cloth. Heat to boiling. Fill jars with cucumbers. Add 1 teaspoon mustard seed and 1.5 heads fresh dill per pint. Number 3, cover with boiling pickling solution, leaving a 1/2 inch headspace. Adjust lids and process. Process times for quick, fresh, pack dill pickles in a boiling water canner. The style of pack, raw. The jar size for pints, from 0 to 1,000 feet, go 10 minutes. From 1,000 to 6,000 feet, go 15 minutes. And anything above 6,000 feet, go 20 minutes. For the jar size of quarts, from 0 to 1,000 feet, go 15 minutes. From 1,000 to 6,000 feet, go 20 minutes. And anything above 6,000 feet, go 25 minutes. After the process is complete, turn off the heat and remove the canner lid. Wait 5 minutes before removing jars. Pickle relish. A food processor will make quick work of chopping the vegetables in this recipe. Yields about 9 pints. Ingredients: 3 quarts chopped cucumbers, 3 cups each of chopped sweet green and red peppers,